Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to draw a cool cat donut. Let's start with a circle for the middle of the donut. Now I'm going to draw the cat's nose, little triangle shape with a mouth. 1, 2. That's a happy cat. Now we're going to draw some eyes. So let's draw some kawaii style eyes. 1 oval, 2 ovals. Now you can put the dots in like so and colour it in. So 2 dots in each, 1 in the top corner and 1 in the bottom corner of the eye. Now I'm going to put some ears on. So we've got to put some ears on here and do some rounded shape like that. These are the cat's ears. Now to make it a donut, we've got to turn that into a circle. So let's try and keep this all the way around. It's pretty tricky. The same sort of distance if you can. Now this cat looks like he's been eating a few donuts. Now you could, I'm going to put some like icing down here, like a little bit of dripping icing. Bit of hair, and then you can just put a little bit of a drip of icing through the bottom there like this. And you can put some little sprinkles on. Don't be afraid to have some of them go off the edge like that. Little sprinkles of icing.